I miss my house. I miss my mom and my ate. Parang gusto na makita yung ate.
Yeah.
I just saw her, but
Diba?
yung desire na makita siya ganun pa rin. Na makasama siya.
It's okay na
Kasi when we saw each other, hindi mo kami nakapag-usap ng maayos dahil siya super ingat. Hindi nga siya masyado nagsalita eh. Ako rin, hindi naman ako maalam eh. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano sasabihin ko.
It's like with me, diba yung
Yeah, what happened?
sa birth, what?
With your...
I talked more there.
How was it?
Good. Nice to hear him, but we
Was
can't
it
talk
sulit?
about that. Yeah, for me, yeah.
126?
Yeah.
Seconds.
Yeah, because I know all the other stuff. Hindi ko nga, I didn't use all. Because I know all the stuff that I want to ask, or what I know, is not allowed. So sinabi ko na lang, hindi na ko. Bakit pasaway yung dad ko? He was like saying, alam mo, I think your mom is already in the Philippines. And then sinabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko yun po pwede malaman. But he knows that, and I know as well, my mom is planning to come to the Philippines.
Whenever
Pero hindi
your
pa sure.
mom's here, where does she stay?
I don't know. We used to stay a lot in Nova. Doon nga yung bahay nila dati. She grew up in Novaliches. Pero I do not know now if she's in Novaliches or with if I think Ryan's mom is as well here, then maybe they're in Cavite or someone else or rent a condo. But I don't know where my mom stays. Because Novaliches is kind of far.
It's far.
And as well, like if she
Pero
wants
Novaliches
to, if
is
she wants
still,
to go out,
within Quezon
Yeah.
City.
if she wants to go out, hindi ko alam if they have a car. But still, someone needs to drive because she can't drive.
She doesn't know how
There's
to
no
drive.
one. Nope.
Do you drive?
Yep.
Manual?
Yep.
Iba ba kotse sa inyo? Hindi.
There are different brands.
Here, do you drive here? No.
Hindi
Wala
ako
kang
pinap-
license.
I have an international license.
Okay.
Pero hindi ako they don't let
I
me
don't
drive
have
here.
one. I lost mine.
Yeah, right.
I never,
They don't, I'm not allowed to drive.
Maybe
They
I
don't let
should
me.
get a new one. No, I mean, if you lose yours,
Yeah.
and you never, parang,
Renew it.
got the chance to renew it. Ano mangyari?
Sa akin? No, I can get it always from Switzerland.
Hindi ang akin.
I will do one here. If I'm here.
But I drive.
Sabihin mo na wala mo.
Pag kailangan.
Sabihin mo. Na wala. Whatever. Tumakas ka, I don't know.
Hindi talaga. Malamang takas talaga yun. I mean, hello, di ba nga?
Ako hindi ko alam. Like, here hindi nila ako hindi ako pinagpabawalan ako dito mag-drive.
Yung mga ko kasi nga pa
They're scared. Because especially when I drive too fast. I drive too fast. At dito pa. I know if I would drive here, I would be careful as in.
Yeah.
Super. Pero
Here.
still, you know, there's
Kaya
always
talaga
yung
magaling ka
takot niya.
mag-drive dito.
Diba, there's always yung takot. Mga,
Yung boyfriend mo daw pinapatula. Pero ako pinapag-drive niya pag lasing siya.
yun. Yung takot nila, palagi nandyan. Yung mga relatives ko as well, takot nila. Kasi hindi daw masanay. Pero, yeah. Where did I draw? Germany, Netherlands, States, Italy. Vienna. Yun. Yung mga country. So it's...
Siguro yun yung una kong aasikasuhin paglaba.
Yun? Me, I think I will miss my
May school!
my car
My school. And then,
and drive around.
maybe both.
I think your school first. Not both. Your school first.
Yeah. Kaya lang it's June.
You think you can go back to your school?
To my school. Sabi niya, oo. Actually, dapat hindi eh.
Why?
There are rules.
Yeah, hindi ko naintindihan just because of that. I don't understand that. Me.
It's a Catholic school.
Still, but what has it to do?
It's their rule. It's their
Yeah,
problem.
yung nga, hindi.
And you're not even a girl.
Sabi
So,
ko lang, hindi ko
sis
naintindihan.
naman.
Still, I don't understand it. Go to another
Pero
school. Homeschool.
they're willing to take me back in. Ba naman?
Do a homeschool.
No, I wanna go to school.
Or to a progressive school. Nakakayanin mo? Going back to school?
Oh,
After this long break?
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I know my brain's kind of rusty.
Eh, mine as well. Mismo kung nasa labas ako, kahit nagtrabaho ko, ang dami pinag-aaralan ko. Like, I mean about your knowledge about what's happening, about all the stuff. Certain questions sa trabaho ko, how they are doing. A lot of questions.
Kain tayo. Tara.
Ang ayaw ko.
Why?
Mamaya. No, kidding.
Ayaw mo kumain.
No, I'm coming.
Ayaw mo?
Hindi ko pa
Hindi
alam.
ako kain. Sige.
No. Let's go. Diba inaaya kita kanina?
Hindi, ayoko rin eh. Pero naisip ko.
Go. Let's come on, brownie. Oh, sorry. Oh,
For epoxy.
Epoxy. Duk.
Ano lasa? Patikin ko yan.